So in this part we are going to discuss about the different advantages, disadvantages and method of preparation of microsphere and microcapsules. uh, let's move towards the next slide, which shows the advantages of microsphere drug delivery system. Now microsphere provide a constant and prolonged therapeutic effects. Means if I design some microsphere drug delivery system, and if I compare the release profile of those drug delivery system with the conventional drug delivery systems, then I will find out that it shows a constant and steady state release for a prolonged duration time, and it ultimately provides the benefit to the patients. Reduce of frequency, dosing frequency, and thereby improve the patient compliance. Better drug utilization, reduce the intensity of adverse effect or toxicity. Next one is capable to enhancing the solubility of poorly soluble drug. Third, protect the GI tract from irritation of different drug effects, as because the drug are well coated with the polymeric layer, so as it's not directly come in contact of the skin, so there are less chances of uh, providing any sort of irritating effects. Now, no surgical application is required for applying these particular formulations, as because unlike other formulations it can be taken orally. uh, so this all unique advantages make this microsphere drug delivery system a popular one. Now along with the advantages is also may having some disadvantages. Let's focus on the disadvantages part. The drug release rate may vary due to the several factors like food and the GI transit time and etc. Difference in the release rate from one dose to another dose can also be observed. Doses form of this kind should not be crushed and choose. The cost of the material and processing is higher than the conventional one. Reproducibility is one of the factors that really make this particular formulation system a difficult one, and process conditions like changes of temperature, pH, solvent additions and other agitation speed, this may play a vital role in designing and establish the parameters of the drug. So these are the several advantages of microsphere drug delivery system. Now moving to our next part, we are discussing about the different methods of preparation of microsphere. In case of microsphere, several methods can be used for preparation of microsphere drug delivery system. Among these most common methods are spray drying technique, emulsification technique, solvent extraction methods, co-acervation phase separation technique and solvent extraction method. One is solvent evaporation method and another is solvent extraction method. So these are the prime methods that can be used for preparation of microspheres. Now let's discuss the outcome of the session in our next slide.